Hey everybody, Scott here. Wanted to show you this 20-foot long hose attachment I got for my shop vac here. So I got this because I needed a longer hose to be able to leave my shop vac on my closet floor to get up in our attic to clear out our drain pan for our AC, as we recently had some AC issues where our lines backed up and the drip pan filled up. So instead of having to crawl up and down the ladder each time with the shop vac and empty it and then crawl back up with it, I got this hose to be able to attach to it. So here are some of the couplings. It comes with these 3 couplings. This one that I already put on it. So this one that's already in the hose has an end like this too that slides in the hose right there to attach to it. And then you got this one right here, and I already showed you this one. So just based on what attachment fits into your shop vac. So this one fits into my shop vac with this clip right here. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. So right there, just clips in, stays on. As you can see, I'm pulling on it, doesn't come off. This worked really well. Stretched up my attic from our closet floor, and I'll show you at the end of this video that I'll show you that part.